Ever wondered why beginner investors lose money while pros build massive wealth quietly? It's not luck, it's strategy. Today, I'll expose 9 secrets pro investors use that beginners never hear about. Stick around, because secret number 7 might change how you invest forever. Part 1. Mindset differences. Beginners chase profits. They jump from trend to trend, hoping to double their money overnight. Pros? They chase value. They think long-term, stay patient, and know that real wealth comes from consistency, not hype. Part 2. Risk management beginners. Bet big. They go all in on meme stocks or crypto coins without a stop loss. Pros manage risk. They never invest more than they can afford to lose and always protect their downside. Part 3. Research habits. Beginners follow influencers. They buy what's trending on TikTok. Pros follow data. They study charts, earnings, and economic trends. They know their investment better than anyone else. Part 4. Emotional control. Beginners panic. One red candle and they're out. Pros stay calm. They know markets breathe. Ups and downs are normal. Emotions don't control their wallet. Logic does. Secret number 7. The game changer pro investors build multiple income streams. They don't rely on one trade, one coin, or one stock. Their money works in real estate, dividends, side businesses, even when they sleep. So, are you thinking like a beginner or investing like a pro? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more real strategies like this, hit that subscribe button right now. Tomorrow's video, even deeper secrets. Don't miss it.